Hello guys, welcome back to the channel again, and today we will be going through our video editing series of Premiere Pro, and it is actually the episode number 3. In this episode we will go through the source window, which is also called a preview window. I shall show you then how you can use all of the options on the bottom line of source window, and how you can drag your media or select your media through in and out points, and you can drag it on your timeline. In the next episode we will go through the timeline portion, and in the last one we will go through the action screen. So let's just go to our screen. I shall show you everything there. So here is my screen. As you can see, this is the project we used in the last video, and this is actually called a source monitor, or you can say it preview window. Let's just, if we want to preview some video, just double click on the video option and it will start playing in the let me just uh, mute the video so it won't create any hindrance while we are going through the tutorial. Okay, this is source monitor, and as you can see, I just clicked on the video. It started playing in the preview or source window. So here the video is playing. It is the live preview of your video. So let's just go through the options one by one, so it will be quite easy for us. Okay, let's just start from here. Fit means the video will fit to your source monitor. If you want to zoom in or zoom out, you can use it 10%, or you can select your video's resolution. So if the video is zoomed in quite heavily, we get some scroll buttons here, scroll bars here, which will work as vertical as well as horizontally. So let's just fit it into the screen. The next wait, the first option, I missed the first option. Come on, here is the live time, the video's time, how much video has been played, and this time is actually called the actual time, the overall time of the video, the total time of the video. If you want to jump to a specific time, just click on the time, or click and press and drag. You can use it as like that. And if you want to jump on I guess 30 seconds, just change the 30 seconds and just click enter, and you will reach your point. As you can see, it's pretty easy. Okay, the next option, this is called the drag video only option, and this is called the drag audio only option. If you want just video of your preview video, you just need your graphics without audio, click on this option and drag it onto the timeline. I'm not going to drop it because it will open another Pandora box. I'll show you this thing in the next video. And if you want to audio, just drag it on the timeline. 1:2 means the video's quality, the video's preview quality. If you switch it to full, it will show you the actual quality of your video. It means if it is 1080p, it will show you the 1080p, and if you change it 1:2 or 1:4, it will decrease your video's quality. And the settings mean the settings of this preview window. You don't need to change it anyway. There's no reason you will change it. Let's just, this is the timeline of the video, and let's come back to the bottom line, which are the last options of the video. This is actually called a bookmark, or you can add a marker to video. Take your marker here, click on this one, and it will create a marker. Click on here, it will create a marker. It's pretty easy. So it sometimes this option is sometimes used to mark some specific points of the video. The second option is in point. This is called mark in or point in. Okay, if you want to drag, we have a video of 2 minutes and we want the time from 110 to the 125. We are not going to drag the complete video on the timeline. We will just create some points. This is in point. In point means from where you want your video to be dragged and tracked, sorry. And the out point means from where you want your video to end. It means we are selecting a portion of our video. We are not going to drag the full video of ours. Okay, this is out point. Now if you want to drag video and audio simultaneously, or you can you want to add both of the audio and video, click on the screen. As you can see, my cursor is here. Click on the screen and drag it onto the timeline. Pretty simple. And this is for video and this is for audio. Okay, so in this the first option is shift I means, okay, let me just show you that keyboard options are also here. uh, Clear all markers. We also got some keyboard shortcuts. If you want to create an in point, click on I, and if you want to create an out point, click on O. Okay, now if you want to go forward or backward, you will use your, you can use your keyboard keys, the forward and backward. By pressing one key backward, it will go one frame backward, but pressing the one key forward, it will go one frame forward. Okay, and if you want to switch to 10 frames per second, I mean any I mean why the heck I am talking in Urdu while I am giving a lecture in English. Okay, so if you want to jump 10 frames of backward, click on shift and then go through the backward option. As you can see, it is going through 5 frames. And shift I means also, shift I means the in point, and shift O means the end of the out point. Okay, in out, in out, in out, in out, in out. Okay, okay, now this is the backward option, and these are the playing buttons, and this is actually the forward button. And let me just show you that if you have something on your timeline and you want your video to be go on that point, just take your timeline cursor here and click on this one. It means it will insert between two videos. Second option means it will insert the video onto those videos, means it will add your video as a layer. And this is a snapshot. Snapshot means you can take a screenshot. Just click on this one, select JPG, import into project, and okay, and you can see that we have our image here. So that's pretty simple. In the next video, in the next tutorial, I'll show you how you can use your timeline including this action bar, and I shall see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.